Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Craft-ideaz. Today's video is Valentine's Day special video. If you don't have enough budget to buy some expensive gifts, don't worry guys, you can buy some normal chocolates and you can make an wonderful and cute chocolate explosion box and your Valentine will love it. For this explosion box, you only need some color paper, some chocolates, ribbon, sellotape, that's it. You can make it anytime and it's super easy guys, just follow the steps and it looks perfect. But before that, if you want more videos, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notifications. So let's get started. At first we have to make the base. For this, all the measurements I will mention on the screen, so just follow it. And here I am showing a rough paper. This is the original one, like this you have to make it. For folding I am using scoring tool, but don't worry, if you don't have, you can use normal scale also. But you have to fold it properly. Now I will make some pockets. Okay, so I will apply glue only at 3 sides and the upper portion will be free, so you can insert your card or you can keep your memorable photos also, like this. To make it more attractive, I will make another little red color heart for each corner, like this. The base is ready. Now I will make a card. You can write down something here, or if you don't want, you can keep normally your memorable some photos also. Okay, so it's time to paste the chocolates, but before that I will decorate my chocolates by binding a red ribbon. Chocolates are ready. Now I will paste one by one by the help of sellotape. For the middle portion, now I will make a letter. Here you can write down something, but if you don't want, you can keep some gift also. It's time to make the lid. Please take the measurements. I will mention on the screen. After joining it properly, just let it dry, and after drying our lid will be completed. Now I will check.